Hi, this is Siddharth from Telecom Lead. Keysight Technologies hosted Keysight Measurement Insight 2017, now in its fourth year. On the occasion, we had an exclusive interaction with John Russell, wireless specialist, Keysight Technologies, who spoke about company's recent acquisition and key industry developments.
So what are the Keysight's latest development around 5G?
So Keysight continues to innovate in the area of 5G through many collaborations with customers, with consortia, with colleges and universities, leading to, for instance, in May of this year, we launched our protocol R&D toolset for pre-5G. And then following on from that, just last week, we added to that the DVT toolset for 5G as well. In addition, it allows us to launch things like our 44 gigahertz PXI signal generator, which, although not wholly aimed at the 5G market, has particular applications in there, particularly with the software solutions for that, allowing customers to test both sub-6 gig and also up into the millimeter wave as well.
How would Keysight's latest acquisition help telecos, smartphone vendors and R&D organizations?
So with the acquisition of Ixia, and then previous to that with Anite, what we have now is we have the ability to test right across the whole marketplace, from chipset through devices, through base station, through large data centers and to web enterprise as well. And with Ixia and Anite, it allows us to test the full extent of the protocol stack. So from the PHY or RF layer all the way up to the very highest layers of protocol as well. The solutions that Ixia bring are very complementary to what already existed with Keysight and Anite, and has allowed us to round out that portfolio, allowing customers to make end-to-end solution decisions.
What are the latest T&M trends?
So from my viewpoint, I'm only speaking with regard to wireless. And the two most exciting trends with regard to wireless are both 5G and IoT. 5G, as we've spoken about before, the entire landscape of test and measurement will change, because whereas before, RF measurements, it was all about being connected in terms of test. With 5G, particularly millimeter wave, it's all going to be about over-the-air testing. And this will be a complete change for many customers to be able to understand the nuances of test associated with that. What Keysight brings to that is our years of experience in millimeter wave, particularly in the aerospace defence business. We bring that capability now to the wireless side as well. The second area is in the area of IoT, with the predictions of anything above 30 billion devices being connected by the year 2020. Some even have it as high as 50 billion devices being connected. This is going to be a very exciting time with regard to IoT. For sure, most of these will be legacy type devices, but still for cellular IoT, this could be as many as 7 billion devices. And this will be a massive upsurge. And for the service providers is going to be a massive opportunity in terms of how they handle that increase in business as well.
What are ongoing and upcoming product innovations?
So, in terms of what we do at Keysight, we pride ourselves in working with the market leaders to ensure that we stay at the forefront of our new solutions, stay at the forefront of new technology waves, and we continue to innovate around that. I gave the example of the PRDT, the protocol R&D toolset, and also the DVT as well, areas where Keysight is leading the innovation into 5G. We will be expecting to show some new capabilities at European Microwave, which will be held in Nuremberg in October, but unfortunately I'm not at liberty to today reveal just exactly what those are.